want to use this opportunity to call on the federal government, heavily led by President Muhammadu Buhari, the Minister of Niger Delta, the Executive Governor of Abia State, and the leadership of Abia State House of Assembly, that this is the second time Awasa community is expressing their ill-treatment by Shell and Total in a peaceful atmosphere. In this community, we have graduates. In this community, Total came into this community some 5 years ago. Since 5 years till today, Total has not been able to employ any youth from Awasa community. Since 5 years that Total has been in this community, Total has not been able to give us good road. You can see the road like the first person said. For 5 years, Total could not be able to give us electricity. For 5 years, our people die prematurely because of cancer they inherit from the gas flaring in Awasa community. I want to tell you, pop and clear, that Total staff they come from Port Harcourt. After working in Awasa community, they go back to Port Harcourt. Therefore, they don't know the side effect of this gas flaring in Awasa community. I want to tell you that Serious died because of cancer. Serious one. Levi Adeyemo is in the mortuary now. He died because of cancer. So many other people were diagnosed of cancer. And when that diagnosis comes, we have no hospital to take them to, and they die. We are asking Total to come and give us a 15 hospital. There's no way it can be flaring gas in a community for 5 years without a good hospital where the people will treat themselves.